guys, so you know how I don't like slime, and you see this container right here with like this ooblex stuff that's really glittery. I just ordered from a Betsy slime shop, and I fell asleep last night with the tablet on, and so you guys, my dad charged the tablet, so you guys are fully charged, but I've heard some complaints not to order from the Betsy slime shop, and not order from the Betsy slime shop, and all that crap, but I got this from Michael's yesterday. My slime's in the room, I was done. But literally, I ordered from the Betsy slime shop, and it's like in a ham container, so I don't know. And people are like, you should order from the Betsy slime shop. It's an amazing shop. So I'm just gonna open this up. Oh, whoa, that's pretty. But just because it looks pretty doesn't mean anything. It looks like Jolly Ranchers when you make it. So I'm just going to play with it like that. Oh, rips really easily. Yeah, I really see that. Rips really easily. Yeah, she was right. She said it was like putty. This is supposed to be a glittery slime putty. Like green glittery slime. And it's green, it's glittery, and she said it was really poppy. That's kind of really poppy, yeah. I can't believe it's green. I didn't think it was gonna be green, because she said I can make it green if you like, but I don't have any more green, so I'm just gonna have to put food coloring in it. And so she did that, and I can't believe she did. So the only thing I do not like about this slime is when I swirl it, it doesn't pop, and you have to go really slow for it not to pop, but I mean, like, so it doesn't rip. See, it's barely even poppy. I don't really like that. It's kind of getting really hard, but I don't know if I'm supposed to keep it in the container for a long time, or I'm just supposed to, I don't know. I do have more slimes over here. I'm going to compare them to this slime. I know I hate slime, but you got to have one choice. Got here. I got one here and here. Here. So I have 4 slimes to compare it with. So, yeah. Clickiness is really good. Alright, let's compare it to the other slimes. Just put that flopper in the container. Okay, this is supposed to be dough slime, so I just got cut open a dough ball and put the slime in there. It's really hard right now, so yeah, it's really hard. You gotta get some strength in there. It's dough slime, but I really want it warm. But yeah, this is dough slime, and here's the clickiness. Yeah, I think that one lost. Okay, keep that over there. So next up is my pink, just original pink slime. Got this for Christmas. Oh, it's really sticky. I haven't played with it in a while. I love that sound when it goes like that. Clickiness. No. But I think I know what stretchiness is going to win. It's not going to be this one. No, but maybe. This one's just like really oily and stuff. It's really stretchy though. You could swirl it, but it doesn't look as beautiful as that one, as you swirl it. So I mean, buy some of this slime. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to be mixing all these slimes together at the end of the video. And you're probably like, oh, all of them? All of them. Okay, this one is glow-in-the-dark teal slime. Kinda. But this one is really stretchy too. So, I mean, yeah. Next up is my purple glittery slime, just like this one. It's purple though. I don't like the glitter in this one. It just sticks all over your hands. But, yeah. I love that song. Okay, I know who won that clicky slime one. And you guys know? Comment down below who you think it would be. 3, 2, 1. Green slime. Because it's more, you can hear it more and better, see? Alright, now for the stretchiness. I don't think this one's going to work. I don't think this one's going to win either. Now the pink slime. Okay, I want to see this swirl because I think it would be really pretty. Nope, not really pretty, but you guys think it is. Okay, I know who won. 3, 2, 1, pink slime. Okay, so yeah guys, I'm going to be mixing all of them. This is the most saddest part ever in the whole wide world. But I'm just going to be doing a little bit of it because, yeah, it's not the saddest part because it's just mixing slime. What's so bad about that? I'm mixing every single slime I showed. Okay. I'm gonna have to rate that Betsy slime. I don't know. I don't feel like it's just like boom. You can like play with it and it's all fun and games. And yeah, I just don't feel it and don't. Well, this is my opinion. Don't order from Betsy Slime Shop. Don't. It's just. She said it was gonna be stretchy and really, really, really poppy. And it's not really. I just put that away, but I don't care. So I'm going to be putting all my slimes away. Pause the video, please. Pause it. Pause it. Okay. Jesus, Jesus, I want you today. Jesus, Jesus, I want you. Jesus, I want you today. Jesus, Jesus, I want you today. Jesus, Jesus, I want you today. Jesus, Jesus, yeah. Today. Pause the video. So, hey guys, okay. I just put all my slimes away. And yeah, I would maybe order from the Betsy Slime Shop. Maybe not. My opinion, I wouldn't. Because this was $6 and it's or will rip really easily. And what's so poppy about that? She said it would be like poppiest slime ever. She said she would be stretchiest. Are you sure about that? Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks for warning me about it's super sticky too. I wanted like a little sticky slime because it's more stretchier. Okay, Betsy. Slime shop. You have the worst slime shop ever. Yeah, this is not slime I was hoping for. Yeah. Okay, I'm contacting her. I don't like her. You guys can watch me contact her. Hey guys, it was just a skit, and this is the slime I got from Michael's. I mixed all of them together. If you saw my last video, and my grandma made me, well, she didn't make me, but I wanted food coloring, and she said, yeah. So, I mean, this is awesome. You guys like my pants? They count. Tuesday, I want you today. I'm just gonna let this settle for a second. I know, like you said, I hate slime. I do, but I mean, I want slime for like once because I've never had slime. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.